In this video, you'll learn how to add, edit, and delete contacts in Gmail in just a few minutes so you can keep your address book organized and always up to date. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. Sign in with your Google account and you'll land on the Google Contacts dashboard, which is fully connected to your Gmail and other Google services. Next, to add a new contact, click the Create Contact button on the left side. Fill in the name, email, phone number, and any other details you want to save, then click Save to add it to your list. Now, to edit an existing contact, hover over their name in your list and click the pencil icon that appears. Update any field you need, like a new email or phone number, and click Save to apply the changes instantly. After that, to delete a contact, hover over their name and click the three-dot menu on the right side. Select Delete, confirm your choice, and the contact will be removed from your Google account immediately. Once you're done managing your contacts, all your changes will sync automatically across Gmail, your phone, and any other Google service. This keeps your contacts perfectly updated everywhere you go. And that's it. You now know how to fully manage your Gmail contacts and keep your communications smooth and organized.